Good morning, Brunei. The first thing I'm going to check out here is the park this morning in anticipation to see some monkeys. Well, I entered the jungle here. Haven't seen anything yet. A lot of crickets that I can hear. Gonna hike up this little path, see what's up there. This guy is so loud it almost sounds like electricity. But I can't find him. Would you be quiet? Turn off your electricity sound. We understand you're trying to find someone, but it's so loud. Still haven't found any monkeys. It's about 80 degrees here, pretty humid. I've been hearing a lot of crickets, but that's as far as it goes for this jungle that I've discovered here. Hopefully I find some animals, because it'd be nice to see some local animals around here. As long as it's not a tiger. Hawaii, Puerto Rico, those are all lame. And this is where it's at. Hiking in Hawaii, in Puerto Rico? No, Borneo is where it's at. This is the island that's comprised of 3 countries, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the country where I'm at, Brunei. The capital is called Bandar Seri Begawan. Kind of difficult to pronounce. Bandar means mouth of the river, and Seri Begawan is a dignitary title for the prince who used to rule this place. They're still under a royal family, and even when the kids are going to school, there's 2 police motorcycles that take them through the streets along with 2 cars. And so it's an escort every day just to get to school for little royalty kids. I've reached the thicket of the jungle. No one's around here for sure. It's pretty dense around here and a lot of vegetation. This is the biggest plant I've ever seen. The blades dwarf me. Coming up here, it's like a grass blade and it's so huge. I can hardly, it's like half the size of my hand. Wow. Pretty amazing plant. I made it to the top. Here's a map of where I'm at and this very unusual building I've been seeing. It's been very hot here, high humidity. I've never been sweating so much for a long time. Here's a humongous bee. The helicopter just dropped off a bunch of parachuters. So they're circling down now towards the land. There they are. Here's a pretty good lookout of the area. You're gonna write that down? Okay. I wonder if this water is okay to drink. And there again is that huge grass plant. There's a vine that's climbing all over the place. I was thinking this might happen. I'd find a snake. And he was looking at me and now he ran away. Can't even find him. This card is called the Pero Dua, and its symbol is on the front side. Looks quite interesting. The symbol is sort of like a P.
Looking a monkey and another.
What do you say?
Water village.
Water village?
Yes, water village with my boat.
With your boat?
Yes, you want?
Yeah, how much does it cost?
It's 1 hour.
1 hour?
It's 30.
30?
Yes.
Brunei dollars.
Yes, Brunei dollars.
Okay. So
That's okay.
What can I see?
Everything. A monkey, royal palace.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What kind of monkey?
Crocodile. Yes.
What kind of monkey?
Yes, look at
The
the
big-
chest monkey. Yes.
The big nose?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, really.
Oh man, I want to see
Sure.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, but is it guaranteed to see the monkey?
Yes, guaranteed.
Where is it?
This across to best side, Royal Palace.
Okay.
That's okay.
It's near the mangroves?
Yes, mangrove.
Okay. Alright, let me think about it, okay?
Okay.
Hey, what are you making? What are you making? Oh, okay.
Minta ko daw dia 50 sen saja.
Hey, what is that for? What's that? Ah, okay. But what is it for? Like ice cream? No?
No,
What do you put inside?
ini yang kami jalurut.
Yellow rot?
Ya.
Ah, okay. Oh, interesting. What are you making?
Bisa?
Yeah.
Skin ketupat.
Skenta tupa?
Yes.
What
This is one for rice inside.
Oh, rice.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
You know the satay BBQ?
No, I'm just new. I'm
Oh,
first day.
first day you come here.
Yeah.
Oh,
How do you put the rice inside?
yes.
Okay.
Every night in Brunei,
Yeah.
if satay BBQ.
Ah, okay. So I should come back at night. I can find some. Yeah.
Yes, but not here, sir.
No.
Not here. Beside after bridge.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
This.
Oh, you got to pull that out,
Yes.
and you stuff it in on the side.
Yes.
Oh, right there.
Yes. Yeah. We put inside here.
Okay. So it's gonna be a little rice thing at the end. All right. Good.
After that we close it.
It's pretty choppy here. All right. So many boats, huh?
Yeah.
So you say the monkey tour is $30, huh? The tour to see the monkey is $30.
$3.
30.
Yes.
Ah, okay. All right. That was a fun little ride. Okay. Yeah, I know. So this is what they call the water village. All these houses are made on stilts because they're built over the river. This is the culture center, and all these boats are water taxis to get across the river. And I'm gonna take a walk over there and take one of the bridges. Yeah? Hi, how are you? They even have Dairy Queen in Brunei. This is on the easier side to get to of the water village. However, later on I'm going to take the water taxi to get to the other side of the river. But this is a good introduction of what these houses look like.
No. 60 cents. What we got? Oh, what's the flowers?
$1.50.
Okay.
You know, this one my friend.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we made it to the restaurants.
Yes.
Thanks,
Okay,
Annie.
thank you. Yeah.
I finally made it to the water village. Created on this river. Supposedly 30,000 people live here. So I'm kind of interested to see what's happening. They have schools here, mosques, daily life happens here. Water pipes, I guess. These look like they're new buildings. No more boardwalks here, it's all concrete. Inside the culture center.
There would be no caveat. A gentle reminder of a more simple life. In Kampung Air, heritage and culture were, and still are, an integral daily part of life. Indeed, Kampung Air is a village rich in its legacy. Earliest historical records dating from the 14th century.
This is where the cats and the chickens live. Next door. Behind me we got the culture center with the large tower there for lookout. They got the history and the development of this area throughout the years. It's hard to believe that 30,000 people live here, but this place has been inhabited for many years. This is the highest point in Kampung Aire, which means water village. They call this the Venice of the East. The one thing about this neighborhood is there's no homeless people here because you cannot be homeless. Where would you stay? But that's also true for the whole country of Brunei. The nice thing about this place is everyone has waterfront property. Well, I've enjoyed my time here. It's quite an interesting place. This is an Indian. He's trying to sell his food. So he walks door to door, seeing if anyone wants to buy some of his food. There's a little patch of land with a bunch of garbage that washed up on shore. Yeah. You don't like camera? Okay.
Crazy country.
Crazy country? Yeah. Hey girls. You speak English?
Yes.
You speak English? What's your name?
Aina.
Aina? And you?
Suri.
Suri? Oh, okay. What are you buying? Rice? What kind of drink do you have?
This one?
No, hers. Soy drink. And you have mango, yeah?
Oh yeah, they're just three.
Oh, okay.
This one, my toilet repair.
Oh, okay, this is the normal room. Okay. So no toilet right now, yeah?
No.
Oh, this is your bedroom, huh?
Yes.
Okay. A kitchen? Okay, so it just goes into the water, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I understand. Okay, that was about it. And your laundry room is here, yeah?
Yeah.
You wash clothes in here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Everything
okay.
in here.
And then this is an old wash machine?
Yeah, old one.
Old one. Oh,
From
okay.
the last owner, we haven't moved it yet.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay, so it goes
Just straight.
straight into the water.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
only cats are allowed in the water village. Dogs are not allowed here because they cause too much ruckus and they're just not meant to be near water. But cats are okay. Just a bridge. I love all the houses that are built on concrete stilts over the water. It just shows that you're able to continue building even though there's no land. They manage quite well over here. Now I'm in Kampung Aire. It's in Brunei. It's called the Water Village. In this area, 30,000 people live. It's basically called the Venice of the East. On a nice beautiful day as today, we got very high humidity. I was sweating a lot as I did my hike this morning up the park. Continue dancing around the world. So here I am in
Okay.
Aire, It's called the water village, so they call it Aira, Kampung,
Pandai
huh?
Basi.
Panabasi?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay.
Hey,
Kampung Panda
Basi. Yeah, tengok.
Yeah, okay. It's a different village here, but all of this area is called Kampung Aira.
Hai kampung air ya.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so 30,000 people live here, and it's been taking me a while to walk around this village because it's all made out of boardwalks, basically.
Ya, di sini.
So continue
Okay,
dancing around the
okay,
road.
Game video je. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Tengok Pandai Basi, yes.
Yeah,
Okay. You want to come, you?
yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check out this elevator. I gotta go down. But make sure you can see the whole elevator. Maybe go back a little bit. You go back a little bit. You have to see how big it is.
Okay.
There's this car lift called the security administration. Oh man. This is such a big elevator. That's the biggest elevator I've ever seen. I think you can fit a car in there. That's amazing. Okay. So,
Okay.
wait. Yeah, listen to it after. Do you know the name of the song? No? I gotta figure it out. Usually you have to listen to the words. You don't know? What's it called? Safe and Sound? Safe and Sound? By Capital Cities. So they got a pineapple computer shop instead of an Apple computer shop.
Sana pagupit pa niya. Sige, ako siya surya niya. Ako siya surya mo siya niya. Okay, say something.
Haircut in Brunei.
You're coming from
America. Alaska.
Russia?
Yeah. No, Alaska, not Russia. Yeah. Where are you from? You?
India, India.
India, okay.
Already?
Okay, that's good. Alright, hey Roger, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah, so thanks for showing me around Brunei.
Hope you enjoy your stay here.
Oh, I
in Brunei.
did. Yeah, it was good.
Thanks for
And-
visiting. For sure, stop over.
Yeah, no problem. And maybe I'll see you in Davao next
Yeah.
time when you go home.
Yeah.
Because I haven't been to that area in the Philippines.
Okay.
Alright.